All right, first ride of 2025. Happy New Year, everybody. All right, once again, Happy New Year, 2025. It's going to be a great year. I've got a lot of Model A activities planned and a lot of business trips planned, so I'll be getting miles on the car and on the old airlines. The big trip so far this year is going to be in Labor Day, during Labor Day weekend, to the NCRG Roundup. We plan on going up there to Sacramento. It'll probably be about 700-mile round trip, including the tours. So that'll be in May, and looking forward to that. We've got a lot of other activities planned so far this year. Our club kicks off January with the annual breakfast tour, and then in February we're celebrating the 65th anniversary of our chapter, SCVC, with a tour up to Pacifica for a pizza party with cake and some other activities. So first half of the year is going to be pretty fun. Did about 2,500 miles between the 3 Model A's last year. The bulk of them here in the Mickey with the Burtz engine. All right, about to hit the freeway here. Traffic should be fairly light considering it's a holiday, and most people are probably still asleep. Here we go. Enjoy the ride. I just jinxed it. And we're just gonna miss it. Haha, jinxed it. Alright, we are in Milpitas, California, which is right next to San Jose and Sunnyvale, where I live. And just a couple more blocks into this neighborhood, we'll be at Kenny's house and we'll have some fun today. Not sure if you were able to hear while I was actually driving, but we've got some big plans for 2025. My goal for mileage for all of the 3 cars, assuming that it stays 3, it doesn't go to 4 this year, we'll see. But for the 3 Model A's, I want to get 5,000 miles for the year. That'll be my biggest mileage year yet, since I started tracking mileage back in 2018. And it'll be basically double what we did in 2024. We've got a couple 50 to 100 mile round trip tours with the club, and then we'll be heading up to Sacramento for the NCRG Roundup over Memorial Day weekend in May, and it should do about 700, 750 miles, I guess, round trip on that one. That'll definitely be in the Vicky. The Roadster, I hope to get back on the road let's say before March, so when it warms up, my wife can start driving her Roadster with the refreshed engine and the new synchro transmission that we're putting in there for her. So all in all, looking forward to 2025 being a good year. I'm hoping that we make it through this light before the end of 2025, since it's taken so long as well. See how our parallel parking is going to work out today. Charge the battery up a little bit, you know. Hold on, I gotta do one more thing. Yeah.
They were talking about they took the grill off and they put the stone guard. They cut it.
Yeah.
And your blinkers looked pretty cool. They were super noticeable.
I got LEDs.
Like it.
The old Freiburger. Phil Silker sighting.
Huh?
Phil Silker sighting. Did you see that?
Is that who that was?
Yeah.